Hello, and welcome to the Manville Virtual Open House. My name is Mr. DeBerry, and I teach 4 classes this year: AP English 4, Pre-AP English 2, AP Seminar, and Pre-AP SAT Prep. All of my syllabus information can be found over here on the left side of my website, but as far as my class expectations go, those all focus on the idea of respect. Respect yourself, respect others, and respect the school and learning. Google Classroom is an important part of all of the classes that I teach, and every student that I have is already enrolled in my Google Classrooms, though I do have the codes posted on the website for students who either switch classes or move into my class. Also, parents have been sent an email inviting them to link their email account with their students so that you can get weekly updates on the assignments and various things posted to Google Classroom. There are no special materials for my class. The students have everything they need. They just need to come to class with a good attitude and the willingness to read all the things that we read and apply their minds to it. Tutorial times are Monday through Thursday from 3 to 4, unless I have a meeting sometimes on Wednesdays, but generally every Monday through Thursday. I'm also here on Friday until 4, and so I don't mind if students come by, but I do have duty for about 20 minutes after school on Friday, and most students don't want to stay on Fridays, but I'm here if they want to come in. As far as grade checks, I will send those out twice a 9 weeks, so look for those in your email. And if you do want to meet with me, the best way to get in contact with me is through email, and I am free to meet at your convenience, either in person here on campus or via a Google Meet or over the phone, or however best is. So any questions you have, please email me. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.